treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more. Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, Feel the thrill, international stacker that mill. So hit that slow, join the quest, riches await. You're the best international stacker, stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest, riches await. You're the best international stacker, stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill. Crabs are grooving side to side, ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase, treasure gleaming, golden space. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party night and day. Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me. Gold and silver, who wants it all? Are you ready for the mega We're the crew, the shell brigade. Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party night and day. Gold and silver
Who's ready?
is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Let's go.
Tidal rhythms in the sand, shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the shell brigade, treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up in the sky, international stacker, he's our guy. Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Let's go.
Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me.
One stacker on a journey to find silver. International stacker. Ladies and gentlemen, the gold and silver slam has been on since futures opened last night. Backwardation reversed. We're going to jump into it. What it all means. Is this the end? Are we done? Should we throw our stacks into the river? I'm going to cover all that. The name is International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida. And I am sipping on coffee. So wherever you're at, please put either your state and what you're sipping on, or if you're international, put your country and what you're sipping on. But the big bankers are rejoicing. They think they're going to smash us down, but boy, are they in for a shock. I've got some bullish indicators to go over with you, but first, the name is International Stacker. If you've happened to cross this channel by accident, I travel the world on gold and silver journeys with y'all, and we have lots of fun, and sometimes we get into some trouble. Thank you so much. We're at 38,800 subscribers. I'm actually at 38,846. So only 54 more subscribers, then we'll get the big refresh show. I've got nearly 1,700 videos. It says 14, I don't know why. Traveling the world. And ladies and gentlemen, this right here, my Mega Gaw, I'm giving away nearly $7,000 of gold and silver. So you've got to enter it. So let me get the link to this, and I will pin this in the comments. It will say enter the Mega Gaw here. If you have not entered, put a 2 in chat. I'm curious if you've not entered. Then my next question will be why. The subsequent 2 videos I released after that both have secret codes in it that are going to give you an advantage in the Mega Gaw. Let me go to my camera here. I switched my camera stand and I forgot to realign it. So this is probably going to be a mess, but let's fix it. Let's fix it. Okay. So let's zoom out. Doop. There we go. Okay. Okay. Let's go like this. Let's go. I want to get like a more up top view on it. Let me fix this 1 second here. Welcome everyone to the stream. That way you guys could see the silver a little bit better. What do you think? Do you guys like this shot better? Do you guys like this shot better for the camera? But anyways, in the Mega Gaw, I'm giving away a ton of silver. Like this, 18.7 troy ounces could be yours. Like this matched set, number 5 of only 400 in the world from the Germanium Mint. Probably worth 700, 800 bucks. Like this, 10-ounce Panda Moon Festival. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. As we jump in today's trading day, let me see who's in chat and where you're from and what you're sipping on. 1 second. Let me find where you guys start answering here. We got all kinds of people in chat. We got about 150 people on getting ready for this market open. We've got channel member AG Astronaut 47 sipping coffee in Illinois. I was in Illinois not too long ago. Pennsylvania sipping coffee for David. Thermoflu this morning for West Texas Stacker. Oh no. Put an F in the chat for West Texas Stacker. Sorry, my friend. I'm throwing my stack in the river, says Easy the Autocrat. That's funny. Arizona. And okay, the real Gear Up Survivals in Arizona sipping on their haters' tears. Sipping on tea in Germany with Al Puthrock. Good evening from Australia, says Nikki Plummer, another channel member. I'm going to need to meet, wait, I'm going to need to know whatever we're talking about. This says Jimmy. Colorado Springs in the house, Big Green Stacker. People's Republic of Texas sipping a Diet Coke with RJ. We got Michigan and a Mountain Dew. Let's go, says Designs by JVL. Woo, we got everyone in the chat. We're having a good time. We've got Rob reporting from FEMA region X. What is X in Roman numerals? Is that no, that's not 5. I don't remember what X is. It's been years since I've done Roman numerals. But they're from one of the FEMA regions. And FEMA, Texas, would that be FEMA region 6? 5? 6? I don't know. But we got people in the chat saying buy, 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 as the bankers have been attacking. If you look at this overnight, we were stopped. Where were we? Let's see. Today's the 27th. So 24th, we closed somewhere around here, 48.68. And then since then, it's been a perpetual breakdown. We'll see what we could do this morning. We are about 39 minutes from open. Silver's on a red candle pre-market at 47.64. And gold is pre-market at... Let me fix that. Gold is pre-market at 4,042. And you guys, last night, backwardation, I put out a tweet, fully reversed. So let's see if it's still reversed, 47.42. No, we're back in backwardation, 47.68. So last night we were out of backwardation in Contango for a good amount of time, but now we're back. This trading session could be explosive. Thank you. 10X is 10. Thank you. Thank you, the Mando Dad. X is 10. As they're smacking me down in chat for not being a Roman numeral expert. Gold to silver ratio is at 84. We climbed this little stair step up, moving sideways. But I'm very interested to see what happens on market open. But the one thing that's certain is this national debt just keeps going up past $38 trillion. Follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, at INTL Stacker. International wouldn't fit, so INTL. We're going to look at what some of the folks around the world are saying, and we're going to prepare for market open in just 38 minutes. Welcome to the chat. We got 230 people on, 54 likes, so please tap that like button. I appreciate it greatly. And Steve Hankey saying, yours truly, on the arithmetic behind my prediction that the gold bull will peak around $6,000 a troy ounce. Oh, what have I done? Oh, what have I done? 6,000 a troy ounce. The 1980 secular gold bull market peaked with a gold price at approximately 10% of the disposable personal income per capita in the U.S. Buy gold, wear diamonds. Who here is wearing diamonds? Oh, and I just posted this video this morning in this coin shop. It's a fun little short. We got the great Martis saying gold. After a stellar run, consolidation as predicted is now occurring. If 4K holds, and right now we're 30, 40 bucks above 4K. So let's go like this. This is the support line at 4K. So he's saying if 4K holds, we will build the base there sideways. We'll move sideways before moving higher weeks later. If 4K fails, 39 looks likely, which is also the channel breakout. So back testing would make sense. Nevertheless, gold's run has decades to go. This is just normal ebb and flow. And I'm not panicking. Are you guys panicking? If you're panicking, put a P in chat. I'm not panicking. And even Jamie Dimon, kind of tongue-in-cheek, but he said, like, I could even see gold hitting $10,000, and that would have been unheard of back in the day. David Carlisle is saying, make the names go back to normal or I'm going to quit YouTube. It's not me, it's YouTube. I'm sure they'll fix it, David. Sorry about that. Wish I could. Bay is saying, October 27th, 2025, which is today, the market data. The silver vault of SGE experienced a significant outflow last week, falling below 100 ton or 1,000 tons for the first time. SHFE continues to see silver outflows of the vaults. The silver inventories, both exchanges, hit record lows. Silver is rolling out of everywhere. And if you see that silver right there, that is why we stack gold and silver. And coming back over to the screen, let's see what the update is. The CME group, CME Mafia, they did 78,000 in volume there. So that would be a little bit more than like probably about 400 million paper ounces on the last trading session. They did. So nearly half the global production. So 835 million ounces is what's roughly mined every year. So they literally traded half the volume. If you look at last week, 1.1 billion, nearly 1 billion, nearly 1 billion. That is just insane. People are going to go to jail and get fined over this. It's just going to take some time for them to get charged. COMEX just reported 15 consecutive days of silver outflows. That's 35 million ounces, over 1,000 tons of metal leaving the vaults. Sounds like a lot. Let's break it down. And ladies and gentlemen, this is why I believe we're only just starting on this bull run. First off, I put this video out here. It's sad. It's only been seen 2,800 times. I put a ton of work into it. And it's got a lot of the receipts of where we're at and why I believe we have a lot of room to come. So this should give you a lot of hope in this. But we're stacking for the long term, right? And when you stack for the long term, spot could go up, could go down, move sideways, do handstands, and you are secure. Because what I do know is for thousands of years, this has been money. And all throughout history, people have trusted this stuff, paper currency, and every single paper currency from every country ever made has eventually gone to zero. And it got so bad in Zimbabwe that they went to $1 million notes. Then they went to $1 billion notes. And yes, I'm going to make 10 of you billionaires in the mega. And they went to $1 trillion notes. The one way I believe, and not a financial advisor, to protect yourself is physical gold and silver. And I'm giving away this 18.7 troy ounce silver bar soon in the mega giveaway. The first 1,000 people get a free 1/2 gold back just to start off the party. We've got about 635 unique entrants. So that means the next 370 people get free gold. That's it. There's 234 people in chat here, so you better hurry. We're sitting at 72 likes. Please hit, please tap, please kiss, please caress. Do whatever you got to do to that like button to make it move up one. We're at 73. If we could get to 100, that would be amazing. You guys help me do what I do around the world. And really what we're doing is getting out the good news about gold and silver. We've got paper stackers from Wall Street Bets, Wall Street Silvers, fighting the good fight, holding the line. We got physical gold and silver stackers, hoarders, numisticists, literally all working together as we are in a green candle moving up at 47.70 with silver. Backwardation is back in effect, and we've only got 32 minutes till the market opens. And ladies and gentlemen, this could be explosive, while gold is also on a green candle of 40.42. And again, the silver futures price is 47.53. And the spot price is 47.67. So about, 15 cents in backwardation, which is when the silver futures price is cheaper than the market price, the spot price. And we want that to be in contango, which means normal, back in contango. As gold to silver ratio is sitting at 84.70. As we scroll down, Rashid is saying gold to silver ratio, GTS is screaming for a long anticipated breakout. If gold goes to 5K and gold to silver ratio to 2016 and 2021 lows around 60, then silver could soar to $80 plus in a very short time. Yes, that's what I'm talking about there. And ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Are you buckled in for a fun stream this morning with only 31 minutes to go till market open? Big shout out to Don Blackburn and Rich Hallblade for subscribing. Thank you so much. Welcome to the channel. You guys, I've got the link pinned. Go enter the Mega God. For the love of God, I'm giving away $7,000 in gold and silver. These two videos after it have a hint in it, so you're going to want to watch those. And you guys, I put a ton of work in this one, so if you go watch it again all the way through, really appreciate it. Like, I spent so long on this video, and it's like doing horrible. But that's the way of a content creator. You'll spend so much time on a video, blood, sweat, and tears, and it does horrible. And then you'll just do another video, and you're like, you just put it out, and it like blows up. Like yesterday, I did a vertical live stream. So YouTube has been harassing me about doing a vertical live stream. So I finally do one. Now look at these live streams. Whoops. Some of these are members only, so don't look at the views on that, right? But like for this one, this is like 2,000 views on this live stream, 2,100, 1.5, 3,100, 29, 5K, 25. I had some bigger ones, 5, 7, 8,000. I did the vertical live stream yesterday, 25,000 views. I just haphazardly did that, and it blew up. So you never know what you're going to get with YouTube, but I do appreciate the support, hitting that like button, watching videos. As we move higher, with only 30 minutes till market opens, we're getting a nice little setup here, 47.77 on silver. So we're going to go ahead and put in our first target. The good news is we can't even, first off, they want to get us below 4,700 or $47. I'm sorry. So 47 is our base. Our first target here. Do something a little bit lower. 47.84 will be our first target, and then our second target will be 47.94. And then let's do the same on gold. We got our base in here at 4,000. What are we at? 48. So 40.62 is logical for the first one. We'll drag this down and put a second. As we've only got 29 minutes to go till market open. 47.70. Are you guys amped? Are you guys pumped? I spend a lot of time just uploading what is in front of me on the phone, says David Carlisle. Bulls over Bears, says Red Soldier. Yes. West Texas Stacker, I've gotten good views on the vertical lives. Helps add to the subscribers as well. Yeah, I did that one yesterday. It blew up. I was like, what in the world? It went crazy. Ooh, someone's trying to duel me. I will accept. I will accept, AG Astronaut. You're dueling. I've got enough ounces to be very happy after the price of silver explodes, says Rob. That's amazing, Rob. Stack it to the sky. Hoard it like a dragon. Hello from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, says Daryl Paz, and they are sipping coffee and milk. The Asian market spot price is a lot higher than the LBMA. Interesting. What is the Asian market spot price? Yeah, the LBMA has been doing their handiwork this morning. We're still in backwardation. It reversed, guys. I put out a tweet last night. It was in full reversal. And I'm like, is something explosive going to happen in open? But look, 47.54, and now we're 47.75. So that's a 20 cents in backwardation, which is when the futures is cheaper than the current spot price. So that's interesting. I wasn't expecting that. I guess they couldn't let it happen. They couldn't let it happen. O.L.S. Hansen saying silver remains on the defensive as post-Diwali. Diwali is a festival in India where they buy a ton of silver and gold. That's what that is. Liquidity in London's spot market continues to improve, pushing spot prices back below the futures, a normal structure that reflects funding and storage costs. Key support based on Fibonacci retracement is seen at $47.40, followed by $45.35. So 47.30, 40. Wait, 47.40. So let's mark that because that's key Fibonacci retracement. 47.40. So that's the base we want to stay above. And he's saying if we fall below that in today's trading, we can expect 45.35. I rebuke that. In the name of Jesus. We're pushing higher, guys. We're stacking it to the sky. Welcome to the stream. We got about 300 people on and 98 likes. Can I get 2 more likes? Even 100 would be great. The name is International Stacker. And I'm giving away nearly $7,000 in gold and silver on my upcoming Mega. Make sure you enter in this entry video here. The link is pinned in the comments. You got to be a subscriber, of course. And the 2 subsequent videos after it. Great videos, I think, I must say. What do you guys think? I think these were good. But they all have a password, a keyword, a hint, tip, or trick to give you an advantage in the upcoming Mega Ga. I'm about to pop a Zyrtec because my allergies are going nuts this morning, and I don't want to be coughing in your guys' ears. But ladies and gentlemen, we are only 26 minutes away from market open on green candles for both gold and silver. I'm sorry, silver just went, or gold just went to a red one, but it's probably gonna go back green. It's a fight. We got news from the news desk. Gold falls as potential U.S. trade deal with China dents safe haven demand. Not buying it. Are you guys buying it? I'm not buying it. Eric Jung is saying the silver vault at SGE, which is the Shanghai Gold Exchange, experienced a significant outflow last week, falling below 1,000 metric tons for the first time. SHFE, Shanghai Futures Exchange, continues to see outflows of the silver vaults. Look at these outflows. Peter Schiff, gold is down this morning as investors react to news of a trade deal with China that will move us closer to where we were before Trump escalated the war. But the deal will do nothing about soaring budget deficits, rate cuts, inflation, or de-dollarization. Gold will keep rising. Gary saying in 1980, silver's rally was driven primarily by monetary demand and speculation. In 2011, it was driven by quantitative easing and financial crisis fears. Today's rally combines both monetary and industrial demand, creating a more powerful and sustainable foundation for ultimately higher prices. And you guys, in this video here, I make the argument why this is different from those 2 years. I bring the receipts, I give you the information. So check this video out here. It's going to give you the information you need. It's going to give you the talking points where you're at a party with your friends or family, or someone says something dumb. You're going to be like, excuse me, no. Absolutely not. And you're going to have all the information you need going forward. China pulling out gold for 1,000. Nikki Plummer saying. Are the rats with you? They're not. They're in the cage. I was holding the rats before the stream. Rat Stacker's little babies. I was holding them, but I do not have them on me right now. You guys, if you know anyone in Haiti, pray for them. This is going to be crazy. This is the most significant hurricane to probably ever hit them, at least since we've been keeping track in modern times. I believe this is the first hurricane to make landfall on Haiti. It's not going to happen until this evening, but it's a category 5. It's going to be devastating. You guys remember, I work in emergency management. I manage situations like this. This is going to be devastating. So pray for people in Haiti. It's going to be really bad. It's going to be catastrophic. CEO technician saying a $10,000 gold price would be convenient for Uncle Sam. Jamie Dimon agrees. For the first time in history, a major U.S. bank CEO mentioned the possibility of $10,000 gold. Higher gold prices would reflate collateral within the global monetary system, aiding governments in the stealth debt restructuring. And you guys, there's plenty of people that think that gold is going to be revalued. Remember, gold is currently still at $35 or $45 an ounce on the books of the United States. So they're saying if you revalue that, you could get rid of a lot of the debt. You could reassure trust in the dollar, a bunch of different things. So people are calling for revaluation of gold ounce, like up to crazy numbers, $50,000, $10,000, $20,000. If you look at here, the most compelling argument I've heard is this U.S. federal debt to GDP ratio. This is something that really affects everything. It affects like credit worthiness ratings, where we got downrated by Moody's, et cetera, et cetera. If this is over a certain number, it's unsustainable. Actually, like a week ago, it was 124, 124%. Now it's 120. But some are saying if you restructure or reprice gold to like $10,000 to $15,000, which I think is well within its true market value, then you could drop this down to a level to where our credit ratings get better. It restores trust in the dollar, blah, 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 blah. So to me, that sounds like the most compelling argument. Curious what you guys think. As we are only 21 minutes away from market open, silver and gold are both on red candles. It is going to be an interesting day. Let me get this paper fiat currency out of here. And I need a vote from you guys. Do you like the new camera angle? Again, I wanted to give you like a top-down view. Get this out of here. I wanted to give you a top-down view so you could see like more of the cool pieces of silver, right? So when I have this screen on, like Savage Stacker, you guys could actually see it. Put a 1 in the chat if you like the more extreme camera angle. Put a 2 in chat if you don't. I do need to fix it. I do need to level it out a bit. I will give you that. Let's go here. There we go. Whoa. We're getting there. I'm trying to make it level. Oh my gosh. That's close. Are you guys liking that better? Let me know. Yeah, people are liking it better. Ladies and gentlemen, we are only 20 minutes away from market open. Thank you so much to T-Rep Adventures for subscribing. I'm sitting at 38,855 subscribers. So we only need 45 more to hit 38,900. Remember, the Mega GA is coming, giving away nearly $7,000 in gold and silver. Enter in the link that's pinned. We have 636 unique people entered, and only the first 1,000 to get a free 1/2 gold back. Just for entering, you get a free 1/2 gold back. Who's doing that? Nobody. I guess we are. We got 280 people watching, 128 likes. Can we get up to 150 likes? It helps me. It helps the stream. It helps the gold and silver community. Helps us get the word out. I'm sorry, Jamaica. Was I saying Haiti? I meant Jamaica. Sorry, guys. That was just a Miss Kingston's obviously capital Jamaica. I meant Jamaica, not Haiti. I'm sorry. Misspoke there. But it's not good for Haiti either. Here's Haiti up here, and they're getting slammed with record amounts of rain. So there's a true emergency going on in Haiti as well, but it's going to be catastrophic in Jamaica. Like, absolutely catastrophic. Thank you for catching my misspeak there. As we were sitting away, 28 minutes from market open, silver's on a red candle at 47.61, and gold is on a green candle at 40.40. Yeah, you guys, it's going to be really bad in Jamaica. Like, really bad. Probably thousands of people dead. 30 plus inches in pretty much the whole country. It's going to be devastating. Pray for Jamaica. And pray for Haiti, too. They're getting smashed. They're getting flooded. They're not going to have a good time. Let's see here. If you are not entered into the Mega Gaw, put a 3 in chat. I want to see who is not. Does my Sigma test gold backs? I've never tried that. I don't think so. I don't know. It might be too thin. I'll try it. Mixing up Jamaica and Haiti here in South Florida will get you put on a shirt. That's funny, RJ. I didn't mix them up. I knew. I just misspoke because before the stream, I was looking at the reports on both Haiti and Jamaica, and Haiti's getting record-breaking flooding as well. So I just misspoke in that. But I bet you I'm coming from more southern Florida than you are. Where do you think I'm at, RJ? I'm coming to you live from Key West, baby. I am closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Broadcasting live as we are 17 minutes away from market open. Oh, RJ knew I was in Key West. Put on a yes, put me on a shirt with my claws. That's funny. I love that comment, RJ. That was good. We are going up towards 85. 85 for the gold to silver ratio, which means gold's performing a little bit better than silver. And we've got Jan saying the trend is up because silver became an industrial metal, not financial advice, though. What is he saying? He's saying about this. For the first time in 338 years of recorded data, the gold to silver ratio has remained more than 2.6 standard deviations above its long-term mean for over 5 years. How does this ultimately resolve? A sharp correction in the ratio is highly likely in my view. We have yet to see a decisive breakout above the previous two peaks. Here is an important reminder that triple tops rarely hold. So he thinks the gold to silver ratio is going to come down significantly, which means either silver is going to go up in price significantly or the price of gold is going to come down. That's the only way that happens. Rashid, I like this guy. He's saying, after blasting through 2011 highs, silver's backed off, scaring a lot of investors. Analysts call a top in metals or further material downside. Well, precious metals do not top with gold to silver ratio at 85 to 1. I am pretty certain that there is further material upside and very limited downside in metals. Metals yet complete the present run with the parabolic run. This post is not financial advice. Here is my tweet. Breaking the spot price. The silver spot price backwardation has reversed. What will happen on market open tomorrow? Silver squeeze fireworks. Big shout out to Shane for putting that out there. As we sit 15 minutes from market open on a red candle on silver and a green candle and gold. Moving sideways. For silver, we're going to try to hold the line here at 47.50 or 47.40. 47.40. And for gold, we're going to try to hold the line at 4,000. This could be a very violent trading day. It could go one way and then go the other. We are put on your armor. Put on your armor. It could get insane. As we got 300 people on the stream, 144 likes. Thank you, everybody. My name is International Stacker. I travel the world with gold and silver. I'm giving away $7,000 in my upcoming Mega Gaw. Entry is via this video I'm showing you on my channel. There's a link pinned in the comments. Enter it. To the first 1,000 people, you get a 1/2 gold back for free. And these last two videos I dropped have something in them that you want to watch if you want to be successful. If you want a little bit of extra success possibilities in the Mega Gaw. Yeah, that hurricane right now, guys, headed for Jamaica, is a Cat 5. I believe Jamaica's never had a dead-on hit from a major hurricane since recorded time. After Jamaica, it's going to hit Cuba as a Cat 3. And the interesting thing is it's going to hit near Guantanamo. If you're an American, you know there's Guantanamo Bays there. Then it's going to hit after that as a Cat 2, part of the Bahamas. And then it might hit Bermuda as a Cat 1. We'll see what happens as it keeps running. I've got a video coming tomorrow. That's going to be a really good one. It shows the buying panic around the world. I've got video on the ground, resources, stories. So that is coming tomorrow. So make sure to check that out. It's going to be immediately after tomorrow's morning market open stream. AU Bit is saying, dang, I think today is going to be a brutal one for silver market. It could be, or it could go the other way. RLC, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the Crustacean Nation. And welcome all the newest channel members. You are all truly appreciated. As we're sitting at 300 people on, we are about 12 minutes away from market open, 152 likes. Let's see if we could get up to 175 likes. Please like the stream, tap it, caress it, whatever you got to do. If you're on your phone, just pull down the live chat, then you'll see the like button. You can hit it, and then you can click it to the comments area in front of you to put the live chat back up. But liking that not only helps me and the channel, but it helps to get more news out about gold and silver to new investors, potential investors. The more people that believe in gold and silver, the more that are going to be protected in the utter chaos that's coming right down the road. And again, if you want to win this 18.7 ounce bar poured by your boy, International Stacker, enter the Mega Ga. If you want a chance to win this Holy Lance in the live stream, 2 ounces, legal tender in Samoa, gold gilded, enter the Mega Ga. If you want a chance to win this gold gilded, 2 ounce Samoa legal tender, enter the Mega Ga. As I point you to the runes back there. These runes by Germanium Mint are super cool. And this blue one here, that's the eye. I'm giving away one of those. I'm giving away a channel round that's a mint error. I'm giving away so much stuff, nearly 60 ounces. So please make sure you're entered. I want everybody to have a chance. I want everybody to have a chance. Yes, I'm still in Key West, Sorcerer Stan. I know. I'm here for a little bit. I'm staying for a little bit. The rats like it down here, you know. Rat stackers, little baby rats, they like it down here. Oh, is Yankee here? Yankee stacking in the house. Everybody, can we chant Giga? Giga, Giga. Yankee stacking did an amazing Giga. Gave away a ton of silver. I don't know if did you give away as much as me, Yankee, in the Mega God? Did you beat me? I don't know. I'm going crazy. I'm adding stuff every day. We just added a troy ounce of crystallized silver. 4 nines, fresh from the refiner. Steely the Stacker. So we added another ounce there. So I think we're over 60 now. But Yankee's a great guy, great channel. Over 200,000 subscribers. If you're not subscribed to him, you are missing out. You are truly missing out. Gold and silver aren't behaving as safe havens, says Silver. Too much downward movement. I mean, look at it this way, guys. Okay, silver right now, it's crashing. We're at $47.59. It's crashing. The world's over. What was the high of silver a year ago? Like 47.59. This is the all-time high, or this is the recent all-time high of like 2 weeks ago. Keep the faith. We're good. Remember, we're in it for the long term. That will help you sleep at night. Not a financial advisor, but gold and silver, I believe, are only yet just beginning. Will Joe saying, IS, what is your favorite sovereign coin? Mine is Somali elephants. Those are great. I like Somali elephants. I do like the Noah's Ark coin. That one's cool. What else? Britannias are super shiny. Those are like kind of fun. I do like Krugerrands a lot. The silver Krugerrand, I believe, came out in 2019. There's a lot of fun ones. I mean, American Silver Eagles, of course. You know, those are a good one. As we are now 8 minutes away from market open, silver is on a green candle, 47.58, and gold is also on a green candle at 4,043. Remember, with gold, we want to stay above 4,000. Our next target is 4,062. In silver, we want to stay above 47.40. Our next target there is 47.84. 8 minutes to go. Ooh, Yankee was chanting mega. Now that's mega. For those of you who don't know, Yankee Stacking, Silver Dragons, myself, we had a silver civil war about 5 years ago on YouTube. It was bloody, but it had to be done. You remember that, Yankee? I like Maple's post 2019 because they fixed the milk spotting. Really frustrating to have a tube of Maples, and I took them out, and I might as well just put Fruit Loops on them. They were that milky. If gold, okay, what's Yankee saying? If gold closes below 4,000. Yankee said if gold closes before 4,000. I don't know the other part of the message. Dude, guys, I need like 4 monitors to keep up with all this. This is crazy. I just bought a 10-ounce Kookaburra. Nikki the Plumber. Awesome. Welcome everyone to the stream. 7 minutes left till market open. This could be explosive. Last night, backwardation did reverse for over an hour, but now we're at 47.53 in the futures. Oh, and 47.51. We're only 2 cents from backwardation fully reversing. So last night, after hours, it reversed. Right now, after hours, we're... Okay, futures. Alert, alert. We are now in Contango. I can tango, but we're in Contango. Wait, 47.51. 47. Okay, we're in parity. 1 cent ahead. So we were out of backwardation for over an hour last night after hours. After hours right now, it looks like we're just about out of backwardation. This could be explosive on market open, which is only 6 minutes away. Put on your seatbelts. Put on your helmets. I need all my gold, silver, stackers, numisticists, hoarders, collectors, alongside our brethren and sisters at Wall Street Bets Wall Street Silver. Hold the line. We are about to go toe-to-toe with the big bankers. Smash that like button. Share the stream. You're literally the Paul Revere of gold and silver, riding the streets of the internet, warning that the big bankers are coming and that we need to assemble. As we are moving on a red candle sideways, 47. Oh, it's green now. 47.52 on silver. With just 5 minutes left till market opens, and gold is at 4,038. Those Bollinger Bands are tightening, folks. Buckle up. Taxo Prairie Feder. Okay. Taxo Prairie Federary is saying it's crazy. It's crazy how the proper propaganda affects us. Don't panic, people. Those who move gold don't care about the bank's propaganda. We've got the Mando Dad saying you guys should do an ounce tour. Perth Mint, Melbourne, Royal Australia Mint, Sydney, Queensland. I'm down to do that. 1 ounce gold liberties, very low grade. Yankees saying about something. I think he's telling about his coins, but remember, both Yankee and I are not financial advisors. I'm just a dude on the internet sharing my gold and silver journey with y'all. We got over 300 people on the stream, 171 likes. If you guys could tap that like button, I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget, my upcoming Mega Guy, I'm giving away over $7,000 in gold and silver, about 60 physical ounces of silver, and a ton of gold. So please enter the Mega Guy. The 2 videos I released after that might give you a little bit of advantage, so check those out. And remember, the first 1,000 people to enter the Mega Guy get a free 1/2 gold back. We've got 636 and unique people entered right now. So that means only the next 340 something or 50 something can win the gold, which is basically the amount of people in chat right now. So race over there, click that link, go sign up for the Mega Guy. You do not want to miss out. Okay, we got a big red candle on silver. Remember, this 47.40, we didn't want to break below that. It's pushing down to 47.43 with 3 minutes to go till market opens. Gold's also on a red candle down on 4,035 as the gold to silver ratio is exploding past 85. And the silver still, okay, the gold or silver futures is 47.46. And we're currently at 47.43. So, ladies and gentlemen, the backwardation has reversed. With 3 minutes left, 2.5 minutes till market open, this could be explosive. Buckle up. David Carlisle, I am a financial advisor. Do what I say if you want to be poor. That's funny. That's funny, David Carlisle. That's funny. I've got a video coming tomorrow, guys, on all the gold and silver rushes and runs around the world. I got on-the-ground footage, eyewitness statements. The FOMO is real. That video is coming tomorrow right after the live stream, so you're not going to want to miss that. It's a good one. I'm just finishing up the editing on it. It's got footage from Singapore and Vietnam and London and Japan and Australia and Yankee Stacking's house. I have a camera in his house. If you guys want to subscribe to that, it's Yankee Stacking. No, I'm kidding. I'm just kidding, Yankee. It was Barnabas. Okay, we are at 47.41 with 2 minutes left till actually really 1 minute left till market open. Silver on a red candle. Gold is on a red candle at 4,033. This could be pretty explosive. Opening here. Let's see if Peter Schiff is saying anything. See if Peter Schiff saying anything. He's been raging about Bitcoin lately. Nope, nothing new. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. We're 45 seconds away. Put a 1 in chat if you think it's going to be a huge red candle down. Put a 2 in chat if you think it's going to ultimately reverse here in the next 5 minutes and be green candles up. Green candles up. Seymour saying, man, that's funny. I want the stream. People want the Yankee stacking stream. Ooh, the bot said Luster for life. So if you're a channel member, you got to drop your custom channel emoji. Is it emoji or emoji? In chat, Luster for life, baby. Here we go. We're going to count it down. 5, 4, 2, 1. And the market is open. And it is a red candle. Okay, let's see what happens here. Let's put in another... Let's pull this down. 47. There's the 47 base. So red candle on silver. 47.36, but it's pulling back. Red candle at gold. 4,028. No privacy at Yankees. That's funny. 350 people on the live stream. About 178 likes. Can we get 22 likes and just even it out 200? It helps me out a lot. Helps the channel out a lot. Helps our cause out a lot. So if you could do that, I'd truly appreciate it if I could earn that like from you. Share the stream. Enjoy your time in the chat. I've got a digital currency that you can win just hanging out in my live streams and premieres. No, I'm not pumping a cryptocurrency. It is a digital currency only in my chat. It's called Claws. You can play games. Duel each other with it. It's a lot of fun. Usually it does nothing for you, but something tells me in the Mega Claws, there might be a claw fat cat or two getting something out of it. So earn those claws, become a claw fat cat. As a matter of fact, I've got about, let's see how many claws I have. So you could do exclamation points to check your claws. You could exclamation games, exclamation commands to see all that stuff. I got 45 claws. I'm just going to gamble it all. Actually, I'm going to do slots. I'm going to do slots 40. Enter the Mega guys. Giving away 60 ounces of silver and a bunch of gold. Not too long from now, the first 1,000 people to enter literally get a free 1.5 gold back. It's a lot of gold. So make sure you enter the Mega. Huge red candle down on silver, 47.27. 4,022 on gold. The bankers are working overtime. They're really trying to set this day up to be a super negative day. Let's see if we could survive this morning onslaught, then see what we could do in the afternoon trading. And don't forget, I will be live streaming the market close today. So I'll be on, market closes at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I'll probably be on about 3:30. And then tomorrow I will be live streaming market open again. As long as we have this high volatility, I'll be doing it. So I'll be on tomorrow. What would that be? 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then directly after the live stream tomorrow, I'm going to launch you guys at light speed into a brand new video showing the panic across the world, video on the ground, information. So you guys aren't going to want to miss that. And then at today, the end of this morning's live stream, members, we are going to go into the war room. So all my members, please make sure that you hang around. We are going to go to the war room and discuss our battle plans. We're on a green candle, 47.42. We are fighting back against the empire. Gold is headed back kind of on a green candle. Okay, is this red candle going to get reversed to a green? This could be interesting. Ooh, let's check. Let's check the backwardation. So 47.44. Oh, we're in parity. We're in parity. This could be explosive. Let's see if it can hold. Okay, back to 2 cents backwardation. This is crazy. Yankee saying, do you remember exactly when the first crab appeared on your channel? I remember it was after I did the live stream where I had the crab dancing that I was eating. Were you the one that dropped the first crab? I just remember after I did that live stream, like, crabs just started flooding. It built, and then the crustacean nation was born. Was that you? Did Daddy Yankee lay the first golden crab that seeded the nation? Woo! Market's been open for almost 5 minutes. We reversed that red candle to a green candle. We are fighting back, 47.54. So whoever put 2 in chat, looks like you might be right. Gold's following suit at $4,037. Yankee was there. He saw it all. Yankee, do you remember our silver Civil War? I just watched that video the other day. That was funny. Do you remember Barnabas, Yankee? I still have that diseased nickel with that weird microchip. Welcome everyone to the stream. Nearly 350 people on. We are at 199 likes. Can we just get one more? Hit that 200? I'd really appreciate it. Enter the Mega Gom, giving away 60 ounces of silver and a ton of gold. All you got to do is enter. The link to enter is pinned in the chat. It's on my channels, this video here. And then my last 2 videos give you maybe an advantage in the Mega Gom, so go watch those. Again, you come to my live streams, you're going to learn tricks, you're going to learn tips, you're going to learn secrets that you won't get in my normal videos. If you're clueless on who Yankee Stacking is, go check him out, guys, gals, crustaceans. He is a friend of the channel. He happens to be... some time ago, we held a special ceremony where we actually honored him as an honorary general in the crustacean nation. Unfortunately, he has no command decision making because it's, you know, it was an honor bestowed upon him. But he's still a general. He's still a general. Thank you so much for subscribing, Joey. You are mega. Ladies and gentlemen, I am at 38,861 subscribers. That means only 39 more subscribers till we have the big 38,900 milestone party. We're on a second green candle on silver, and then the first green candle of gold. We couldn't reverse the first red candle, but it tried. Interesting times. Yep, there's Yankee Stacking's channel. Sublime Mad Dog dropped it in chat. What an interesting time to be alive, folks. Interesting time to be alive. 640 people are now entered in the Megaga, which means only the next 360 get free gold. Then after that, no more. No complaints. We're on a nicely building green candle on silver and gold, going higher. I'm guessing the backwardation is just getting worse. Yeah, 47.33. Please. These bankers. These bankers. How did I do on my... Let's check my points. How did I do on my slots? SDCCCCCCCC Crasher is in the house. International Stackers. Yankee currently making breakfast on stream. Just kidding. That's funny. For those who are asking what claws do, if you get 10,000 claws, you get access to the secret cam and Yankee Stacking's gold and silver repository. Welcome everybody to chat. 300 people on, 214 likes. Hit that like button. You're literally the gold and silver Paul Revere riding the streets of the internet, warning of the big bankers coming. As we have been open for about 8 minutes, and they were trying to smash silver. Didn't work. We're at 47.41, holding strong. We're at 4,034 on gold, holding strong on a green candle. We are pushing higher. And remember, we're back in backwardation. 47.33. Yep, 10 cents backwardation. I always miss when I do slots. Let's see what I did. Ooh, I won slots. I've got 400 claws. Put a 1 in chat if you think I should just gamble it all. Let's see what you guys think. Paper has become a monster. You're totally right. I am Gan. Wait, I am Negan. I missed the knee. I am Negan. All right, everyone's saying to gamble all. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Gambling all my claws. Come on. Lady Luck. Yeah, doubled up, baby. 810 claws. Well, let's do a heist to celebrate for 100. We're not back in Contango, Floyd. We were. Look, 47.30, 47.40. We're back to 10% in backwardation. We were in Contango last night. We were in Contango for like a millisecond before market opens. Contango just means normal, guys. That's all it means. Normal. Market's been open for 10 minutes. We're on another green candle on gold, 40.33. Silver, we're breaking below that 47.40 mark. Let's see what happens next. You guys, question for you. Who is buying the dip? Who is buying this blessing that the banksters are giving us through this market suppression? I just facilitated a buy for a close personal friend, and it was 70 ounces of Engelhard at spot. That's 20 ounces of 1 ounce Engelhard bars, and the rest were Engelhard rounds. I think that was a pretty good deal. What do you guys think? Is that a good deal? I'll tell you what, if silver dropped to $40 or $35, you would still be paying $40 to $50 for an ounce of silver. The premiums would just be totally disjointed. It's happened before, and it will happen again. Anyone else stacking ramen to stretch that buying power on the dip? Hey, I used to back in the day think, do I want to get this pizza or an American Silver Eagle? Hi, all you legends, says Woodsy. Another channel member. What's up, Woodsy? I'm still watching because Tim said so. I see 47.38 on the futures and 47.32 on Kitco. This is Trading Viewer in here. This is going to be more accurate, I believe. We're 47.21 futures, 47.30 on this. It's close. It's close. Let's see if it could come out into Contango and hold, and let's see what happens. It could be explosive. I eat a lot of potatoes so I can afford silver, says the Nuck Dragger. Welcome everyone to the stream. We've got about 350 people on, 222 likes. Let's get 26 more likes to 250. I'd really appreciate that. Helps get the stream out and the word out to more people so they can prepare. We're sitting at 38,863 likes on the channel, so that's only 37 more till our goal of 38,900, and then it's on to 39. Remember, really want to be to 40,000 by the Mega. If we did 50,000 by the Mega, that would be even crazier. But let me show you. If you guys are not entered into the Mega, you're missing out. Nearly 60 ounces of silver and a ton of gold. Not a literal ton. But you see here, there's 13,515 entries into the Mega. You need to make one of them be yours. But of all those entries, there's 637 unique, or 640, I'm sorry, unique entrants. So only the next 300 and so get free gold. Enter through the link pinned in the comments. As we're on a red candle, 47.24 for silver. Ooh. Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, we are what appears to be in Contango 47.33 futures. 47.20 futures is now higher, and we are in a huge red candle down. Huge red candle down. Ladies and gentlemen, take your battle state. This is not a drill. This is the big red candle they've been trying to do since open. Let's see if it's successful. Either we're going to hold the line, or it's going to be another great time to buy some more silver and gold. I'm super bullish. Why? Because this stuff has been money for thousands of years. Gold and silver. And I feel as long as I have this physical in my hands, I'm going to do just fine. And I'm stacking for the long term, so short-term bumps and pullbacks don't get me going too much, but the recent price action and making a new all new nominal high got my attention. But remember, if you convert for 1980, which the high was about $50, in 2011, which is $49.50, we'd have to be at $208 right now to be even the same amount because of inflation. So I believe this bull market has only yet begun to run. There's going to be bumps, bruises, and pullbacks and corrections and consolidations along the way. But nothing goes straight up. So I'm celebrating silver and gold, and I'm so happy I got in. Are you guys happy? Again, not a financial advisor, but that's what I'm feeling. When fake money dies and real money flies, gold and silver HQ, gold and world your currency unit. And you guys check me out on X, previously known as Twitter, INTL Stacker. Follow me along. I put all kinds of stuff here. When the black line runs back to 2 ounce, that's when the modern systemic silver price discovery fraud has run its course. How do bankers intend to deal with the looming silver shortage? They plan to stand in front of the commodity exchange with a big sign that says, "Don't buy silver, it's cheap," hoping that a low price will deter the public from buying. As funny as that sounds, this may have been their strategy for the past 45 years, and it actually worked. However, it will no longer be working. I'll retweet that. Patrick, silver, odds of a melt-up are diminishing, at least not before the next correction resolves bullishly. Explore how the ongoing silver disruption in India, which I talk about in my video tomorrow, you're not going to want to miss it, is proving to be more prolonged than previously thought, as gold and silver emerge as the last safe havens amidst tariff uncertainties. This analyst sheds light on the market. Possible scenario for silver. Look at that. Possible scenario for silver. As the market's been open for 16 minutes, we're on another red candle, 47.18, breaking down. Gold breaking down a little too, 4,023, but I'm not worried. I'm not scared. I'm prepared. How about you? We are full-blown in Contango, $47.40 future and $47.15 spot price. Are they going to be able to hold this? I don't know. Are they going to be able to hold this? Stacy, you could do exclamation games, and it gives you information. James is saying metals focus establishment, City of London consultancy has to admit $60 ounce silver is but a matter of when. Look at this from China, guys. Look at these bars of silver. Look at these things. This is what's going on in China right now. I need to get me a pallet of these. Look at that. More footage like that coming in my video tomorrow. Halloween will be the nightmare for bankers, says Wall Street Silver. I like that. Let's give that a retweet. Gold and silver ratio trades at the key level after consolidation. A break of the structure will make the start of silver's dominance over mark the start of silver's dominance over gold. Precious metals rotations favor silver as the next high beta driver. Ladies and gentlemen, market's been open 18 minutes. Huge red candle. They're trying to break us below 47. They're trying to break us below 4,000 for gold. We'll see if they can do it. They're trying. Bob the Billionaire, like this guy. Our friends at Comex continue to see massive vault assault, 14-day depletion streak and running, and vault data and backwardation. LBMA gets bars, but at New York's expense. December deliveries could end up like LBMA October deliveries, JPM in India. No soup or silver for you. Bankers are banking and enough weak hands to sell. Bankers are banking on enough weak hands to sell before delivery day. Doom. You guys, delivery day is going to be another explosive day for silver. And another explosive day for silver in November. And gold by default, but really silver is going to be the memo for the draft strategic minerals is going to be approved. And on the draft memo, they added silver and copper. Super bullish. So remember, if that goes through, you're going to see silver like this once again, where the U.S. government was forced to stockpile literally millions of ounces of silver. This is from the U.S. Assay Office strategic stockpile. So if that gets approved, they will be buying millions and millions of ounces of silver and stockpiling it. It will open the door to a lot of other stuff. So that would be extremely bullish for silver, especially in this resource-constrained environment. Remember, we've been in a silver structural deficit for the last 5 years. And it's not getting any better. We produce about 835 million ounces of silver every year. And in this video I just dropped yesterday, I show you that the demand's 1.2 billion. Again, enter my Mega Guide, giving away $7,000 in gold and silver. The entry link is pinned in the comments. You're not going to want to miss that. The first 1,000 people get a free 1/2 gold back. We're on a green candle, 47.15. We're saying no to that 47 level. Green candle as well on gold. Channel members, 10 minutes to the war room. Channel members, 10 minutes to the war room. We're at 247 likes, 3 more to 250. Let's do it. Can we do it? Ladies and gentlemen, the market has been open for 21 minutes and we're on a green candle with silver pushing back. Green candle with gold pushing back. We're still in backwardation, or Contango 45. Yep. So we're out of backwardation. This is the longest we've been out of backwardation with market open in a long time. 47.25, 47.09 spot. Gold to silver ratios at 85.4. Yeah, they're definitely dumping their bad contracts right now, Delistra. So many bankers are dumping their shorts positions. Get me out of here. Hold, lock, and load. Gonna get bad, says Randy Miller. I like seeing it drop so I can buy more, but hate to see it the same time. That's funny, AU bit. I'm not done buying silver and gold. I would love a decent pullback. Because I know ultimately where silver and gold are heading. Not a financial advisor. but that's my perspective. Jesse Cohen saying Dow at all-time highs, S&P at all-time highs, NASDAQ all-time highs, gold all-time highs, silver near all-time highs, Bitcoin near all-time highs. And do you think the Fed is about to cut interest rates in NQT on Wednesday? Truly unprecedented. Silver loving the head and shoulder on the 30-minute chart, says Silverbark. The LBMA is playing with fire. It's just a matter of time. This is a net outflow. Oh, this is net outflow, but the actual outflow is much larger. China is a massive silver devouring beast. In a few years, global silver production capacity will be unable to meet China's industrial demand. All industrial products have a scrap life, and in the future, the combination of new production capacity and the replacement capacity after scrapping will double the strain on silver supply. $100 per ounce is not a fantasy, but a real danger we face. Remember, guys, not a financial advisor. My target for the end of the year is $75 gold, $5,000 silver. Let's go. People laughed at me at the beginning when I said 50 and 4,000. So YOLO, let's double down. Let's keep pushing. China's silver drain accelerates. SGE silver vaults dropped 145,000 kilograms last week to 905 tons. The first break below 1,000 tons as the market has been open for 23 minutes. Red candle on silver, 4706. Green candle on gold, 4,023. I think if we're going to mount any kind of a comeback today, it's definitely going to be after lunch, afternoon trading. But also the bankers are going to want to keep smashing it for sure. 359 people on, 259 likes. Members, we are going to the war room in 5 minutes. Members, we are going to the war room in 5 minutes. Who's ready for the Mega Ga? Who's going to win it? If you're going to win this, put a 1 in chat. If you're going to win this, put a 2 in chat. See what you guys think. I love that guy. Members, we are going to the war room in 4 minutes. All channel members, we're going to the war room in 4 minutes. And Mr. Gear 45, welcome to the Crustacean Nation. Newest channel member, guys, when you super chat, when you become a channel member, when you simply like a stream, when you share or a video, share a video or a stream, comment, watch a video, it all helps us grow as the Crustacean Nation. So I appreciate all your all's support and really appreciate Mr. Gear 45 for becoming a channel member. Thank you so much. Channel members, we are going to the war room in 3 minutes and 40 seconds. As we're on a green candle with silver, trying to stay above that $47 mark, $47.04, but I guarantee you the bankers desperately want us below that. Gold's at 4,019, trying to stay above that 4,000, but again, they want us to break down. Will they be able to drive it down? We got Hip Mama sipping coffee in Florida. I'd be happy to receive a gold back. Well, Randy Miller, you can get a free 1/2 gold back if you're in the first 1,000 people to enter the Mega Ga. So if you're entered, that means you're one of the first 1,000. So that means you will be getting that. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. I'll see you later, says Big Green Stacker. See you later, Big Green. Ladies and gentlemen, smash that like button. Members, we are 3 minutes from going to the war room. Randy Miller is entered. Awesome. Silver over 50 by next week, says I am Negan. I wouldn't doubt it. I am Negan. Did I ever tell you I met Negan in real life at Comic-Con in San Diego? I did meet Negan. He came out, stood on a table, and flipped everyone out. He totally stayed in character. It was so funny. Thank you so much, Watson Derry, for subscribing. Really appreciate it. Welcome to the stream. Again, folks, remember, I will be streaming Market Open tomorrow. I'll be streaming Market Close today. Members, we're going to the war room in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Thank you, everybody, for coming. What's in the war room? That's where the channel members, the commanders of the Crustacean Nation, get together and we draft battle plans for gold and silver. We draft plans for the channel. We just have a good time. And members, we're going to the war room in a minute and 50 seconds. Thank you, everybody, for coming. That's not coming to the war room. Thank you so much. I will be live streaming later today. Where's my... I can't find it. I lost it. I lost my catch you on the next one thing. It's around here somewhere. But for everyone who's not coming to the war room, thank you so much for coming on the stream. Please tap the like on the way out. Remember, I will be live streaming market close today, market open tomorrow. For everyone who's not a channel member, I'll say catch you on the next one. And for the channel members, prepare yourselves. We are 1 minute from the war room. 1 minute from the war room. Channel members, get ready for the war room. Thank you, everybody. 40 seconds till the war room. Channel members, prepare. As the big banker smashes below 47 on silver, trying to smash us below 4,000 on gold. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. Ten seconds to the war room. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.